This is the program in Java in a predefined manner. Okay, see this values we have taken in advance, that is predefined manner. Okay, in advance means predefined manner. So whenever we compile a program, it gives the same answer again and again because the value is in predefined manner. It is like in maths. In maths, if we take a constant, so it constants always remains the same. Okay, so like this, no matter how many time we compile the program, it gives the same answer, whether we compile 2 times, 5 times, 6 times, 8 times, 10 times, so it gives the same answer. So predefined manner means that it gives the same answer every time we compile the program. So it store in add 16, in sub variable 4, in division variable 1, and remainder variable 4. Here percentage sign represent the remainder. Okay, percentage sign represent the remainder. Okay, percentage is also known as the modulus in computer programming. Okay, and in multiplication it gives the 60, and in multiplication it will store the answer 60. Here backslash n works like an enter button. So println, there is only, you can write only one println in the println. What if you want more, if you want to press more and more enter button, so then you have to write backslash n within a double inverted comma, within a double inverted comma inside the println statement. Okay, now I will execute the program for the predefined manner, and after that I will execute the program for user defined manner. Okay, so in user defined manner, whenever you compile a program, it gives the different answer. Every time it gives the different answer whenever you compile the program in user defined manner. So there is a two types of manner in which we can substitute the value in the variable, that is predefined manner and user defined manner. I will show you how it works. Okay, so this is class math operator. You can see I have given the here predefined values. Okay, predefined values to A as 10 and B as 6. So every time I compile the program, it's give me the same output. Okay, it give me the same output. Here I have written ln. Okay, so it press the enter button and each of the output will come in the next row. Okay, each of the output will come in the next row. So see, you can see this is the output, this is the output. You can see this is the output. Okay, this is the output. See, in multiplication store 60, subtraction 4, addition 16, remainder 4, and division 1. Because of ln, print ln. Okay, so all the outputs come in the next row. Different rows means different rows. Okay, now I will show you if I remove the ln. If I remove the ln, what happens? See, I have removed here the ln from here. See, I have removed the ln from here, and from here. But I have not removed the ln from here and here. So you can see the difference. When there is a no ln, the output will come in the same row. When ln is there, output will come in a different row. Okay, you can see the difference. So you can see the output over here. Okay, see multiplication 60, division this, and because of ln remainder and division come in a separate rows. Because of ln, the remainder and division comes in the separate rows. Now I will show you the same program in the user defined manner. You can see this is the user defined program. This is the user defined program. Okay, you can see the difference between the user defined program and the predefined manner. See, this program is a predefined manner. See, the value is taken in advance, and this is the user defined program. Here you can see the class java.util is used for the user defined. Okay, import java.util is used extra, and scanner class has been used for inputting the values, substituting the values in the variable scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in, and a equal to sc dot next int. So whenever you want to input a value, you have to write every time sc dot next int. Whenever you want to input an integer type of value, you have to write sc dot next int. See, in the B also we have written sc dot next int. Okay, now I will compile the program using the scanner class. See, I have written the program using the scanner class for the user defined manner. You can see the scanner class import java.util at the top, and scanner class for inputting the values, sc dot next int for integer to inputting the integer values. See, in the B also we are substituting the value sc dot next int. Okay, so this is user defined manner. I will compile the program and I will show you the output. See, enter the first number. Okay, so here I am substituting the 15. Okay, substituting the 15. See, 15. Now I am substituting the another number, second number 6 over here. Okay, so you can see that this number over here, you can see it will get, see, 6. So user defined means, the user defined means every time you can able to change the values. User defined means you can every time able to change the values of your own. So that is the meaning of user defined function. Okay, thank you.